Welcome to the Unit 2 section of the final review video. So for number 1, I asked you to graph this equation. Now, some of you may not have had this on your original packet because it wasn't printed, so go ahead and take a moment and write that equation down now if it wasn't there. So for circles centered at the origin, the equation is x squared plus y squared equals r squared, where r is the length of the radius. So we can see that in this problem, r squared is equal to 81. So to find r, we can take the square root of both sides. Now, in this problem, we don't need to worry about the negative root because the length of the radius must be positive. So the radius is 9. So from the center, I'm going to go 9 units in 4 directions. Up, down, left, and right. So once I have those 4 points, I'm just going to do my best to hand draw the circle. For number 2, we're trying to find the equation of the circle. So once again, we know that it's centered at the origin, so it's going to be x squared plus y squared equals r squared. And we count and notice that there are 4 units away from the center to the circle. So in this problem, the radius is equal to 4. So x squared plus y squared equals 4 squared. And we know that 4 squared is 16. So our equation would be x squared plus y squared equals 16. Okay, number 3, write the equation centered at the origin of the circle that passes through the point negative 9, 11. A couple different ways you can do this. One way to do this is to go ahead and use the distance formula like we did in problem 4 from Unit 1. So we're given this point, negative 9, 11, but we also know that another endpoint of the radius will be at 0, 0. So I can make that my x1, y1, x2, y2. So negative 9 minus 0 and 11 minus 0 goes inside the parentheses. So 9 squared is 81, 11 squared is 121. So d is equal to the positive root of 202. So this is not just the distance, this is also the radius. So when I write x squared plus y squared equals r squared, remember that the square undoes the radical. So our answer is x squared plus y squared equals 202. That is the conclusion of the Unit 2 video.